Did you know mangroves are some of the world's best natural defenders against climate change? These coastal forests store more carbon than tropical rainforests, protect shorelines, and provide homes for countless species. But here's the catch. We can only protect what we can measure. That's where mangrove monitoring comes in. And today, we'll show you how simple it can be. Step 1. Observe leaf health. First, let's look at the leaves. Healthy mangroves have vibrant green leaves. Yellowing spots or damage can reveal stress caused by pollution, salinity, or disease. Think of it as checking the pulse of a forest. Leaves are often the first sign of trouble. Step 2. Measure tree size. Next, size matters. Measuring tree diameter and height helps estimate biomass, basically how much carbon these trees are storing. This step shows us how mangroves grow over time, giving a clear picture of their health and resilience. Step 3. Check soil and water. Now, down to the roots literally. Mangroves thrive in salty, muddy conditions, but extreme changes in salinity or polluted soil can harm them. Simple tools like salinity meters and pH strips can tell us a lot about the hidden conditions that keep mangroves strong. Step 4. Look for regeneration. Finally, regeneration. Spotting seedlings and saplings means the mangrove forest is renewing itself naturally. If young trees are missing, it's a warning sign for the future. After all, a healthy forest is one that grows its next generation.
Real-world example.
In the Philippines, local communities use these simple methods to monitor mangroves every year. They don't need expensive equipment, just commitment and teamwork. Their efforts have helped restore degraded mangroves, boosting fish stocks and protecting villages from storms. Mangrove monitoring isn't just for scientists. With a notebook, a measuring tape, and a little training, anyone can help safeguard these coastal guardians. Every observation counts. Every small action adds up. By protecting mangroves, we protect ourselves and our planet's future. So next time you see a mangrove, remember you have the power to keep this ecosystem alive. Let's give nature the attention it deserves.